What is going on YouTube? It's your boy Zab and I am back with another video. In today's video we're going to be talking about some of the trades that I did earlier in the day, and I will show you guys what I look for. So for new traders, this is something that you guys can follow to do a quick scalp and get out and make a quick $100 here and there. It will be beneficial to you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and share my screen and I will talk to you guys about what are some of the things that I look for. All right, here we are on the Tesla chart this afternoon. I still have that trade marked up right here. This is the trade I went in, but I just want to talk about what I was looking for. Tesla opened on this side. Tesla opened and we see a huge green candle. It went up and I just draw a pre-market support. This is something that you guys should also follow. Always draw your pre-market support, pre-market highs and pre-market lows. Kind of gives you guys a little bit of a support and a resistance level, especially if you're looking to scalp. So I draw a little bit of pre-market support here. I drew a little resistance level here, and another high over here. I just wanted to see what the stock will do as the price goes on or as the day goes on. So anyways, the market opens. It rejected this support level. It came back down. And this is a play that I love to work with. Is yesterday's low was marked around here. This was yesterday's low around this time. And I wanted it to retest yesterday's low. So if the stock is in a downtrend, it retests yesterday's low, then you are good for puts. And this is where I went in puts. So yesterday's low was around this line where my cursor is right now, as you can see. Zoom in, exactly this line right here, which was also a pre-market support. So a couple things were going on for me. So I went ahead and I went into my position for the pre-market low. So it dropped down, it crashed in. I added my first position around this part. I added my first position around here because I was like, okay, I see a big long red candle, and that candle had destroyed today's low, which was on open, which is right here, and it closed right here. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna start my puts here. I start my puts here. I saw a little bit of profit down here. And then I went back up to here. This is where the fun begins. I added to my position on this second part. I added to my position because now it's retesting yesterday's low. I added to my position and I added 5 more contracts. From here to here, I believe I was up about 2-3%. Not a lot of percentages. I waited for that. My first contract was up 5%. I added 5 more contracts to my position. At that moment, I was up about 1%. Hope that makes sense. I always scale in. If my first contract is up 5%, I always scale in. So I scaled in, I added 5 more contracts, and I just let that run. I let that run all the way, and I got out about here because at this point on, there was another level here that I had drawn previously, and I was afraid that it's gonna bounce back from here. But I could have stayed in for more profit. I could have let one run, but because I'm a new trader, I'm a little hesitant into staying in for a long period of time. Plus, I see 5%, I take 5%, and 5% to me is $100. So that's my goal for this account, to make $100 every single day, and just slowly and steadily just climb up. My stop loss for this position would have been the support, or yesterday's low would have been my stop loss. Very clear, no ifs and buts there. If this stock was to bounce back and go up here, I would have stopped out. It's just that simple. You have to look out for your stop losses days. But just wanted to share with you guys what are some of the things that I look for in a trade, and this was today's trade. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Hopefully you guys learned a thing or two. If you did, please like and leave a comment down below. If you want to watch videos like this, I will be uploading every day at around 5 o'clock. So hit that subscribe button too, and I will see you guys in the next one. Have a great day. Bye bye.